Welcome to Law and Solutions. We, Law and Solutions, are a portal which can be accessed by internet. It operates in the interest of citizens to help them in any and all matters of Indian law. It has been guided and advised by Senior Counsel Shri Rajiv T. Bafna, advocate and solicitor who has been in his practice since 1987 with the focus on property and general commercial law, which was then an emerging business of sector. Let us start with our today's topic, property law. The term property includes both corporeal things such as land, furniture and incorporeal things such as copyrights and patents. Introduction to property law. Property law is an area of law that governs what people own. It's the area of law who can own land and personal items, how they can use them and with what conditions. Property law applies to both real property and personal property. There are two categories of property, corporeal property and incorporeal property. Corporeal property has existence in world and is related to material things such as land, house, ornaments, silver, etc. Whereas incorporeal property is intangible because its existence is neither visible nor tangible. Right of easement and copyrights are incorporeal property. Corporeal property is categorized in two parts, movable property and immovable property. Incorporeal property is also categorized in two parts, right in re aliena and right in re propria. Different types of property are private property, public property and common property. Private property is tangible and intangible things owned by individual or firms over which their owners have exclusive and absolute legal rights such as land, building, money, content, patent, etc. Public property is property that is dedicated to public use. The term may be used either to describe the use to which the property is put or to describe character of its ownership. Common property is something owned by one person or a group. It's a property belonging to all members of a community. Real versus personal property. Land and anything permanently attached including buildings, structures, fixtures, water rights, minerals on and below the surface of earth, trees and crops, airspace above the surface are real property. Anything other than real property including clothing, jewelry, furniture, appliances in a home, automobiles, ATVs, lawn mowers, equipments and machineries used in business, copyrights, patents, trademarks, software, stocks, loans, mutual funds, etc. are personal property. Personal property must be delivered in order to transfer ownership. It may be tangible or intangible. Right in re aliena and right in re propria. Right in re aliena are also sometimes referred to as encumbrances. These are the rights of a specific user. These prevent the owner from exercising some definite right in reference to his property. Lease, security and trust may be included under this category. Right in re propria are immaterial forms of property. These are a product of human skill and labor. Patents, copyrights and commercial goodwill may be included under this category. Intellectual property is also a form of property. Intellectual property is, in simpler terms, creation of intellect or wisdom or of the human mind. It is related to intellectual innovation and innovation in the literary, scientific, and artistic fields. Nations around the world are making efforts toward protecting intellectual property. One major reason is to recognize by way of statute the economic right of creators of these intellectual properties. Kinds of intellectual property are trademarks, patents, copyright, industrial design, layout design, and trade secret. A patent is a kind of property that has intellectual worth attached to it. It is an exclusive right granted for an invention which is a product which is a result of person's ability of doing something or offers a new technological solution to a problem. Trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing goods and services of one enterprise from another. These are basically a means to protect unique identity of renowned brands. It enables a customer to recognize brand or product instantly without being misled. Copyright is available to the creators of literary, dramatic, musical, artistic, producer of cinematograph acts or sound recording. It determines whether and in what condition the original work may be used by persons other than the owner of the unique intellectual property. Geographical indicator used on products having a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities that exist due to their basic origin. The sign must identify a product as originating in a given place, and the quality, characteristics, or reputation should be due to the place of origin. Industrial design is related to the product which are a part of industrial setup. It refers to the shape, configuration, color or pattern which may be an ornamental or aesthetic aspect of a product. The owners of a registered industrial design have a right to prevent third-party rights from making, selling, importing articles bearing a design which is a copy. Trade secret, in simpler terms, implies the strategy adopted by the owner of the business. It may be any confidential business information which provides an organization with a complete edge in world market of the respective product it deals with. Commercial goodwill is a prominent form of incorporeal right. The goodwill of a commercial business is a valuable right acquired by the owner by his labor and skill. The owner has exclusive right of use and profit from the business, and anyone who seeks to make use of it by falsely representing to the public that he is himself carrying on the business in question shall be violating this right. For more such law-related information, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.